That's really interesting. So I don't know if I necessarily have restaurant go-to items. I do have go-to restaurants where I'm excited to try everything on a menu. And that's literally how I approach enjoying food in general. I don't want to just sit there and eat my one thing and not adventure outside of that. I love to get as much food for the table as possible so that way everyone can try a little bit of everything. That's how my restaurant worked, and that's how I enjoy eating at restaurants. In fact, if you don't like that, maybe don't go out for dinner with me because I will be like, everyone, let's get some things and share because I think that's the best way to really understand the identity of a chef in a restaurant is to try as much food on the menu as possible. That said, if there's something that I know that's a must have from that restaurant, that's being included every single time.